Hello, this is my implementation of Project 2 Commerce. First, we can see the models. We have first one item or for the listing, another one for bids, comments, and for the watch list. If we go to the site itself, first I'm not signed in, so I can see all the listings. I can sort them by categories. The ones in green are shown. I can choose to hide all, for example, to show only the goods, or for example the housing, or I can show all of them and remove one by one and add them back. If we go to any listing, we can of course need to log into bid or add to watch list, but we can still see the comments, the number of comments here, and you can show or hide all the comments. If the listing does not have any comments, it shows no comments. Here you can see a history of the bids. It happened by date and time. We can see that this apartment was created with a starting price of $700, and then Samantha placed a bid with the amount of $750, for example. Okay, now let's log in. Okay, now that we have logged in, we can see that it says here that we're signed in as Taylor. We can see the active listing, which is this page. My listing is empty, watch list is empty. But now that we are logged in, we can add a comment, bid, or add to watch list. We can add a comment, for example, great idea. You can click submit, and now it shows in the comments. And whenever there's the user name is the same one as the one logged in, it shows you in parentheses. Okay, now we can add it to our watch list, and it takes us to the watch list page. And if we go again, it says in watch list, and we can click on to go to the watch list page, or we can remove it from the watch list, and now we can see that there are no items in our watch list. Okay, let's go back to this apartment, for example. We can place a bid. Of course, the bidding starts at $1 more than the last bid. As you can write, for example, 800, submit, and now it says that we are the last bid, and of course the current price is updated on the active listings page as well. We can my listings, of course, is now empty. We removed everything from our watch list. We can create a listing, for example, cat for adoption. Let's say $10. Cute cat. Again, we can choose the category. I think this would be miscellaneous. We can optionally add a URL for a picture, and it says here, it shows the picture here. Now in the active listings, if no image is added, it will automatically place this no image available image. When it's our listing, we can either close the auction, but we cannot add it to the watch list or bid on it. If we close the auction, now it says that the auction is closed, and of course it shows in the page My Listings. If it's not closed, then it says active, and of course it's removed from the active listings page. And on the site administration page, we can see all the models, bids, comments, items, users, and watch lists. We can add, remove, or edit any of these. For example, we can go to the items, and we can delete this sketchy free candy listing.